Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here for sale a home located in Mahoe Close, Montego Bay. This house price was recently reduced from Jamaican 40 million to Jamaican 36 million or US $234,000. This house is a raised bungalow type dwelling with main sleeping quarters with ensuite bathrooms on the first floor, guest bedroom, double car garage and supporting living quarters on the ground floor. Annexed to the main dwelling house is two one-bedroom apartments with own entrance, individually metered for utilities, which is an income generator. The land area of this house is 6,242 square feet. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, water heater, grilled, kitchen built-ins, hot tub, fully fenced, jacuzzi, family oriented, and hillside. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.